How to fix Telegram problem easily and fast in less than 20 seconds. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager on this page, you're gonna find all the apps. Click on Telegram and then force stop the app from here. Click on storage, click on clear cache, go back again, click on the data usage right here, disable the roaming data and the background data, and then go to this open by default. Click on open supported links in this app and choose ask every time. Go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing. Just disable it and enable it and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.